Struggling to stick to your New Year resolutions? Let me show you how MindMap AI can turn your goals into action. Here's how you can build your perfect New Year plan in just a few simple steps. Go to the MindMap canvas and create a new project. This is where the magic begins. Now type out your thoughts. Whether it's personal goals, career plans, or lifestyle changes, let your ideas flow. And guess what? You can also upload files now. MindMap AI can process those too. Sit back, and the AI will do the rest. Watch as your ideas are transformed into a beautifully detailed mind map. It's fast, intuitive, and tailored just for you. Expand your ideas with AI Expand, summarize complex thoughts with AI Summarize, or focus on specific topics using AI Focus Topic. Build your New Year resolutions step by step, your map to a brighter future. Download your carefully crafted mind map directly to your device. And that's not all. Share your plan with your loved ones and inspire them to join the journey. Discover shortcut keys and essential tips instantly in the Help section. MindMap AI isn't just a tool, it's the key to unlocking your potential. Start your new year right with an AI-powered map to your dreams. Join MindMap AI today and make 2025 your year of achievements.